Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is supply schedule. Supply schedule is a schedule showing various quantities of a commodity offered for sale corresponding to different possible prices. Offered for sale corresponding to different possible prices of that commodity. It has two aspects: individual supply schedule and market supply schedule. You see, what is individual supply schedule? Individual supply schedule is a table showing various individual supply schedule is a table showing various amounts of a commodity that an individual firm in the market is willing to sell at different possible price of that commodity. Or we can say that individual supply schedule refers to supply schedule of an individual firm in the market, and it shows different quantities supplied by a firm at different price of a commodity. You see, this table 1 here is an individual supply schedule. So individual supply schedule is shown in here, table 1. If you see this table, this shows the price in rupees and this quantity supplied in units. This is individual supply schedule table. In this table, it's clear from this table that as the price rises, supply extends. As the price rises, the supply extends. At rupees 5 per unit, the firm is not willing to sell. At rupees 5 per unit, the firm is not willing to sell any unit. And when the price rises, and when the price is rupees 10, then the supply is of 10 units, and when the price rises to rupees 20, the supply also extends to 30 units. So this is the individual supply schedule. Now, what is the market supply schedule? What is the market supply schedule? Market supply schedule is a table showing various amounts of a commodity that all the firms in the market are willing to sell at different possible prices of that commodity. Or we can say that market supply schedule refers to supply schedule of all the firms in the market producing a particular commodity. See, sum total of the firms producing a particular commodity is called industry. Thus, market supply schedule refers to supply schedule of the industry as a whole. Okay. Now this table 2, market supply schedule is shown in this table 2. See, this table 2 is a market supply schedule. It's based on the assumption that there are only two firms, A and B, supplying commodity X. There are only two firms, A and B, supply commodity X in the market. So it's based on this assumption that there are only two suppliers in the market. Now see, this table shows that when the price of a commodity is rupees 5, the firms will not supply any quantity, neither firm A nor firm B. So market supply is 0. You see, when the price increased to rupees 10, the firm A supplies 10 units and firm B supplies 5 units. Thus market supply is 10 plus 5, that's equal to 15 units. So see, as the price rises, market supply also increases. So this is the market supply schedule. Thank you very much.